The city is total population near about 80 lakhs and total vehicle volume is near about 72 lakhs. So 70% of the vehicles are two-wheelers in Hyderabad city, sir. Other than area is 625 square kilometers and road length is 9,250 kilometers, sir. So our main focus, actually, everyone knows that the traffic means the traffic police officers means just they are doing enforcement, they capture the violations. But in 2014, we have started on our major point. The regulation is more important than enforcement, and that enforcement is also totally citizen friendly, evidence based, because every violation should captured in digital format, violation in cameras and surveillance cameras and other gadgets, and that enforcement should also the total transparency and accountability. Earlier it is used to be many of the people is thinking that the police are collecting the fine amounts and they are doing other than sometimes some bribes involved, but the totally transparency and the accountability wherever any violator is violated, the violator should pay the online and to the government only, like payment gateways are open. So like that, we have more focused on new technologies and adoption best practices all over the world. So like that, we have started our e-challan system. And next, that other initiatives in the traffic management also, some like when that enforcement should be taken up, before that, that infrastructure has to be good one, like the traffic signaling system, other than automatic red light violation cameras, laser gun cameras. So other gadgets also involved in the latest initiatives taken up by the Hyderabad Traffic Police. The traffic management and the road safety strategy goals are that every citizen should think that should go with their destination point and come back to their home. So it should be road safety and that simultaneously that complaints of payments of challans also more change, and the attitude of violators also changed. The global traffic management rule is like first engineering, like road infrastructure, and second one is education. Moreover, that schooling level, everything taught to the students for the traffic rules and regulations. If not following that, then definitely we will enforce the violators. So road engineering is also involved in the municipal corporation all over the India. Some municipal corporation is involved in the road engineering pattern, the best traffic signaling system and best road marking signages. These are all should be there for good traffic management and regulating the traffic also. And in Hyderabad city also, we have started the H trims, Hyderabad traffic signaling system for good traffic and good traffic regulation. And moreover, the commuters should follow the traffic rules and regulation with good infrastructure, because these all integrated with command control center, all the directions. We are used that virtual loop cameras for the traffic timings and signal timings, and that totally monitor from the command control center from Hyderabad, the signal time variation and signal time decrease, increasing, everything we monitor from the command control center. Simultaneously, the violation will be captured from the command control. In the field, we have reduced 80% of the field enforcement is reduced because of this entire new technology adapted, and from the command control center only 80% traffic violations are imposing. This is our command control center, and we are also giving the traffic alerts, alert messages and other messages to the VMBs, variable message signing boards, and the traffic congestion will be monitored from the command control center, informed to the field officers, and simultaneously and other stakeholders and commuters also some various methods like Facebook, Twitter, and SMS alerts, and some road safety also taken up, some initiatives also taken, and some fatal accidents also reduced for these road infrastructures. These are the where that infrastructure is good, automatically the people will follow the traffic rules, and the definitely violations will be come down and accidents will also reduced. These are the efforts of last 4 years that accidents have come down, and the education part also we are doing for citizens for traffic training centers. We have two training centers for all commuters, like major stakeholders, auto drivers, RTC, road transport authority drivers, and student and youth. And some awareness campaigns also conducted at various places in the Hyderabad city for good traffic regulation, and commuters should follow the traffic rules. And some with celebrities also we are conducting good programs for traffic awareness. So now that major portion of this e-challan system, the integrated e-challan system is started in Hyderabad 2008 onwards, but that the latest technology, and we have implemented 2014 onwards. Every violation should be captured with a photograph, and some digital gadgets will be taken up. And we are doing this two types enforcement. It's a contact enforcement and non-contact enforcement. The contact enforcement is also totally technology based, and our field officer will use the tabs on the field, and Bluetooth printers also we are using. So the violation will be captured through a tab, and that spot violation is observed by any officer. In entire Telangana state, that SI and above rank officers or authority of this enforcement, spot enforcement at issuing the e-tickets to the violators. So that vehicle data will be entered in the vehicle number is entered in the tab, and the driving license number is mandatory. Driving without driving license, our people will issue a ticket along with, and they will file the charge sheet in the courts. So mandatorily, totally the vehicle number is entered and driving license name entered. This our server is connected to the live with Telangana State Transport Authority server. So whenever the data is vehicle number is entered, that complete data will fetch down immediately within seconds, and simultaneously the driving license particular will also fetch down in the tabs. And if any other violations, previous violations also shown in the tab, the pending challans will be shown in the tab. So ticket will be issued to the violator, and this violator has to pay the various payment gateway modes like Paytm also involved, ICICI Bank, SBI Bank, and some other payment gateways we have launched, but no officer will collect any fine amount on the spot. So they should go by paid at eSeva, MeSeva Center, and other than all these payment gateways. And this violator will be given option of first challan or second challan will be just issue ticket, and let them they can pay at various payment gateways. And if more than 3 challans or 5 challans caught on the field, no, definitely the vehicle will be hold, and they have to pay, and immediately through these payment gateways only, and the challan will vehicle will be handed over to him, like that. So that complaints is also more increased near about one time. The before Corona period, Hyderabad and Telangana near about 72% complaints was there of issued challans and paid challans. But now that last 2020 and 21, that due to pandemic, that it's come down to near about 56%, and sometimes 60% of payments. And other than this non-contact enforcement, we are using several gadgets, digital camera, surveillance camera, laser gun camera, and ITMS, latest platform, integrated traffic management system, also launched in Hyderabad. So ITMS platform. So we are capturing these violations, and issued the tickets to the owner of the vehicle, because that vehicle number is entered automatically some with ANPR, automatic number plate recognition system also. So that challan will be generated, and challan will be posted to the owner of the vehicle. So owner of the vehicle is responsible for the violation and violation ticket, and he has to pay within 15 days is mentioned in the challan itself. And simultaneously, these challans are also paid to various payment gateways, like and all digital payment gateways. So these are the gadgets we are using: digital cameras on the field, and laser gun camera, and automatic red light signal jump cameras. And through command control center also, we are capturing this ITMS platform. So one of the violation is signal jumping, and other violations will be captured with the video, 3 seconds video evidence also, like that. And laser gun camera also latest we have issued all over the Telangana state. These laser gun cameras are digitized and connected to the server, and a tab is issued also to the field officer. These cameras are mobile laser gun cameras, because many of the places we observed a regular pattern and regular violation captured at one place. Many of the people, they are slow down there, and again they are going very speed on other places. So our laser gun camera operator will install this camera at different dates and different places every time. So you will not static one point. Sometimes 2 hours one place and another 2 hours and two place like that. And this violation photographs are captured automatically, and a tab is issued to the field officer. And in the tab, this OCR conversion, like with ANPR, the number plate and details will be converted in the digital format, and just he is doing that validation of this violation, because number plate is correct, the vehicle number is correct. He validated, immediately challan will be generated, and within seconds the owner of the vehicle will get a message SMS alert, and that violation with along with photography. If we click the SMS, and the violation photo will also shown in their mobiles. And this speed violator maybe not reached or 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, he will get an SMS, and he will click on the SMS, automatically the violation photograph also shown in the tab mobile. So like that, this is one of the violation photograph. And entire Telangana state is the payment status. Every day in Hyderabad city only near about 51 lakhs rupees paying by the violators. So no police officer is collecting the payment at the field, but the people are paying it with some various payment gateways. This is one day, the March 1st, the payment was done by the violators of 51 lakhs for Hyderabad, and total integrated Telangana state challans are booked in 72,000 in a day, the March 1st, 72,000. Near about payment was entire Telangana state on that day, 1 crore 95 lakhs on the March 1st. So like that, the people are now turned out to pay the challans, and moreover, when the violation is happened, again, they are caught on the field. No, definitely they will. They are changing their attitude. Now some important, some major violations also come down, like signal jumping and overspeed, some important violations. And due to that only that accidents are come down, and some fatality has come down. And one more, that e-challan system is important, the drunk drive enforcement. The drunk drive enforcement is also with tabs and other technical gadgets are using on the field. And on the spot, the violator photograph will be taken, the violation photograph with the lat longs incorporated in the photograph, and the details entered in the tab automatically, that all the data will fetch down, and the previous history of this person, like person based, because earlier traffic challenge is vehicle based, but now we are capturing all the data with the person based, with the driving license and the vehicle based, vehicle number, all the particulars will come, and that previous violation history will also come in the challan itself. And at the drunk drive, we are maintaining the standard operating procedure entire Telangana state, that vehicle will be hold down, and vehicle will be detained for some time for safe custody, because he is drunk, so we will not leave with him with vehicle. So ticket will be issued to the violator, and this person has to come at the counseling center at traffic training institute. For first, we will conduct the counseling, how danger it drunk driving, and that so many accident videos, and we will show everything to the counseling. And after counseling, that charge sheet will be filed in the court, and we are filing the charge sheet in the court, and courts are giving punishment up to some time. Some violator got up to 3 months imprisonment, and some 2 days, 3 days, because we are digitally capturing and entering the data. So the previous history, sometimes we are filing the charge sheet the second time, repeated violator, and like that, the filing the charge sheet more than 3 times caught person got in the 3 months imprisonment. Like that, that drunk drive enforcement is also happened in.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Could you please
yes,
go for the conclusion?
Yes, sir. Last 2 minutes only, sir. Just so these are the drunk drive figures, and we have also started the penalty pointing system since 2017. That some important violations we are imposing the penalty points. RTA and Telangana State Police integrated with the system, and some important points, like the 2-year, 24 months period, 12 points crossed, the driving license will be suspended automatically, and that information will share to the violator with SMS. And that's again, if we use this vehicle on the field, definitely our tab will show that this driving license is suspended. Again, we are detaining the vehicle, and we are filing the charge sheet. And simultaneously, some apps are there, more mValet app, where we can the commuters can carry the digital format. They need not carry the documents on the field. And this is one of the good initiative by body one cameras also on the field level officers. And integrated traffic management system. So many digital format cameras are installed in this ITMS platform, like variable message signage boards, automatic traffic counter cum classifier, ANPR, automatic number plate cameras. And this platform used to the traffic congestions and traffic management from the command control center. And one of the video actually I have taken was the traffic incident management. So I'm just now skip this ITMS, the incident management. But that automatic number plate are capturing where wrong side driving is happening. The installed cameras are capturing the violations, and automatically the challan will be generated out in the spot automatically. The challan will be sent to the owner of the vehicle, will get SMS, and the letter also posted to the owner of the vehicle. And some of the other cameras also not wearing helmet also automatically capturing through this artificial intelligence platform with the ITMS platform. So these live of this automatic capturing of not wearing helmet. So these cameras capture not wearing helmet and pillion rider also. Sometimes rider wearing a helmet and pillion rider is not wearing helmet, also automatically capturing those this ITMS platform. And important. Yes, sir. Last 1 minute, sir. Wrong side driving and wrong side cameras installed in various places. And this is our command control center. We are operating with ITMS platform, and through technology, we have also reduced the manpower on the field 25% of technology. And the people are compliance also is good increased, and that traffic violations are come down, sir. These are my presentation, sir. Thank you, sir. So, any questions, sir?
Since how long is the system working?
Sir, actually the entire e-challan system is started in 2008, sir, but now latest technologies are implemented 2014 onwards, and 2019 our ITMS platform also added in our traffic management, sir.
Okay, good. Excellent.
Sir,
thank you.
Is it same for all India? Because all India also use challan system. In Delhi we get automated challan system.
Yes, madam.
The same thing?
Yes, madam. Actually, whenever that NIC team is developing this application, they have also with our team. So we have also in the video conference, and our inputs have shared them to NIC people. And some more a little ahead with this NIC team, because NIC people have developed all over the India. Some points, some restrictions are there, like in some city, the major city, Hyderabad, like the bigger city, will be having some importance of violations and enforcement. Some patterns will be changed, and rural level and simultaneously the internal small towns will having some priorities, different priorities.
Yeah, and okay, that I understand. So basically, yes, the core module is same, and you have built in your extra things in Hyderabad.
Yes, madam. Yes,
very good. I'm quite impressed.
Yes,
but yes, one photograph I saw there, yes, I'm a bit surprised. In this COVID times, are you doing breath analyzer test?
No, madam.
Very dangerous. Because,
no, madam.
No, I saw the photograph where the traffic policeman was wearing a mask.
Yes, this was the old photo, madam. Sorry. Actually, that COVID time also, sometimes.
But he was wearing a mask. Is it for pollution?
Yes, totally double mask. Our field officer now using the double mask, but we have reduced the drunk drive test because it's now a dangerous situation.
Yeah, because when you showed the numbers on the figures,
yes,
therefore 2021, this 2020 the numbers were much less. So that means you have not done it. I can understand.
Yes,
but the photograph actually improved.
Yes, madam. This has to be changed. It's the last year, the 19 and 20 photograph, madam.
Yeah. Good job.
Yeah, thank you, madam.